No one does sexy and grungy better than Priyanka Chopra. I'm going to ask her comment on this, yeah? Isn't it?
Sexy, alright. Grungy, I don't know. I try and do a little bit of everything.
Well, I think you got the grooviest when Exotic was being played in the background at the moment. Feeling so exotic.
Maybe it's just come out, the single, and such a great response. And yes, I got excited. It's fun.
I hope you're taking your pop star image a little seriously now. You're an established and talented actor. You said, oh, patani, I'm accepted or not. But then I think you can say it now because I think his songs have gone to a next level, especially with Exotic. I think you've taken it to another level after In My City. Yeah?
Yeah, In My City was an NFL song, but Exotic is like technically my first like party song or whatever. But not yet. Abhi to naya. It's just been 3-4 days. I can't even say. And you know, the songs are very different than movies. Movies is just a weekend, 1 week. Uske baad pata chal jata hai hit test nahi hai. But with songs, they have to sustain 6 months, 9 months. You know, people have to like them. If you remember popular songs, they last for so long. So that'll be the challenge. And I hope that with the positive response on the song, I'm presuming that it should do well. So. For me, I am a creative person. I can't say I'm an actor, I'm an artist, I'm a dancer, I'm a singer, jo bhi hai. I like to be creative. Who knows? I feel like when someone is creative, the world becomes your oyster. You can do anything, you know, even cutting hair or even, you know, making a painting or writing a book or writing an article. There's so many things in the world you can do.
Because who's that one person with whom you share all your secrets with? That one person, you know, whom you always think will, you know, you can always be yourself with?
I don't like this question. It used to be my dad. I was very, very close to my dad. So that's very hard on me because this was his favorite song and my music was a big deal for him and I wanted him to sort of see all of this. And I mean, I feel like he's making it happen, honestly. But yeah, my dad was, he was my best friend and my biggest supporter.
I'm sure he's still supporting you from wherever he is. And, you know, people expected, I'm sure, you will take a break and I'm sure everybody wanted you to probably come back. But you just jumped into I'm sure it was a conscious decision. You wanted to think of other things. Was that how it was?
Yeah, I think I would have gone mad if I stayed at home, I think. I didn't want to do that. And I'm not someone who really talks about my emotions and my feelings. And my dad hated me sitting at home. He used to always say, "Kaam nahi aaj?" Because I work so much and I'm never home really. So, and more than anything, my work has always been the one thing that's stood by me and, you know, it's something I can close my eyes, go inside and then I'm in a bubble. So it takes me away from just everything else. And I was starting a very difficult film, Mary Com, I was doing Gunde, I'm in the middle of, you know, the single releasing and then Planes is releasing, so promotion for that. So it's a really hectic time and I thought the best thing for me would be to jump back into work.
Absolutely. Well, I'm going to change the topic now. And, you know, you've always said that Chopra camp to establish ho hi raha hai with Parineeti and you guys. So any other actors already joining the camp? A lot of heard of new talent and you're already working with Arjun and a lot of other people. Anybody you think is already can join your camp, this coveted camp?
It's very coveted. Very few people get entry inside. अभी तक कुछ stand out नहीं कर रहा. For my camp, there are a series of tests that you have to pass to be worth it, you know, and I have very high standards, very high.
Absolutely. You know, Aamir started it and then Shah Rukh just recently said about his surrogate child. It's a beautiful thing. And he just recently spoke about his surrogate child and, you know, and Aamir was also, you know, into it. Do you think now surrogacy is going to, you know, celebrities when they support a thing, it's going to be taken seriously now and like, you know, how adoption. Do you think it's a good thing now? Everybody is going to take it, you know, it's an option for everybody. What do you think about it?
I don't really have an opinion on that. I think I've never really thought of kids and marriage and stuff right now.
Not yet.
So when I think about it, I think I'll have an opinion on it then.
So what does PC want to do now? You know, you're in this happy space in life, you're doing the right kind of movies, you're looking great, you've worked really hard for Mary Com. So what is it that you know, want to see yourself doing now, besides the kind of work, anything else? Would you also want to go for international cinema after that?
See, like I told you, my life has always been very organic. I've never planned it. I'm not a planner. I don't believe in planning. I believe in, you know, letting life unfold. And for me, it always has, which is why I can do so many, which is why I foray into so many different things. That I just want to, you know, be a child in a toy shop, and my world is my toy shop. So anything can happen in my life and my future, and I'm waiting for that with bated breath.
Absolutely. Well, now I'm going to end this interview. I'm going to ask her to show me one of your favorite steps from Exotic, please. I can't not make her do that. So teach me one. Don't show us the difficult one, please.
No, there's no difficult step. It's very easy.
Well, thank you so much. As usual, it's an amazing interviewing you. It was fun and all the very best. Hopefully, this is definitely going to be one song everybody's going to be grooving to when they party. Thank you, Priyanka, once again. Rudrani Chatraj with camera person Aditya. Zoom.